Good morning, students. You all welcome in Asian College of Science and Commerce, and today we are going to see the third unit, constitute of marketing mix. ओके, मार्केटिंग मिक्स मध्ये काय काय येतं ते आज आपल्याला या लेक्चरमध्ये बघायचं आहे. तर मार्केटिंग मिक्स मध्ये काय आहे, तर मार्केटिंग मिक्स आहे, प्रोडक्ट मिक्स आहे, प्राइस मिक्स आहे, प्लेस मिक्स आहे, प्रमोशन, जे 7 P's आहेत. ॲक्च्युली मी माझ्या या व्हिडिओबरोबरच एक व्हिडिओ परत अटॅच करणार आहे. त्या व्हिडिओमध्ये तुम्हाला 7 P's एकदम टोटली क्लिअर होतील की काय असतात 7 P's, मार्केटिंगच्या 7 P's काय आहे आणि मार्केटिंग मिक्स म्हणजे काय असतं. ओके, सो द मार्केटिंग मिक्स, फिजिकल एविडन्स, प्रमोशन मिक्स, ॲडव्हर्टायझिंग, पीपल मिक्स, प्रोसेस मिक्स अँड फिजिकल एविडन्स, हे सगळे पॉईंट्स या युनिटमध्ये आपल्याला कव्हर करायचे आहे. सो मार्केटिंग मिक्स, व्हॉट डू यू मीन बाय मार्केटिंग मिक्स? The concept of marketing mix is an important development in a marketing field for the sound marketing program that determine of marketing mix is the best. It is useful for marketing of certain specific product. It is done for marketing research. Thus the marketing mix is related to pricing, advertising, selling, physical distribution. It is also related to environmental elements such as economy, competition, culture and technology. Okay, that is the marketing mix. Here we have given a definition of marketing mix. The number of definitions you have given here, one by one we are going to see. Before seeing the definition, we are going to see the meaning of marketing mix. The marketing mix is refers to the set of action. It is the set of action. कुठल्या पद्धतीची ॲक्शन आपण घेतली पाहिजे गुड मार्केटिंगसाठी, और tactics that companies use to promote its brand and product in the market. ते प्रोडक्ट मार्केटमध्ये प्रमोट करण्यासाठी किंवा तो ब्रँड मार्केटमध्ये प्रमोट करण्यासाठी कुठल्या कुठल्या टॅग तुम्ही यूज करता किंवा कुठल्या कुठल्या ॲक्शन्स तुम्ही घेता, दॅट इज द मार्केटिंग मिक्स. ओके, द 4 P's मेकअप द टिपिकल मार्केटिंग मिक्स. 4 P's आहे, ज्या बेसिक P's आहे. ॲक्च्युली 7 P's आहे ज्या मार्केटिंगच्या ओव्हरऑल टोटल मार्केटिंगच्या P's ज्या आहेत त्या 7 P's आहे. बट इन द marketing mix involve the 4 P's. Okay, that is the basic P's. Number 1 is marketing mix price. Number 1 is price, product, promotion and place. प्राइस, प्रोडक्ट, प्रमोशन अँड प्लेस. सगळ्यात महत्त्वाची काय आहे? वस्तूची प्राईस. वस्तूची प्राईस कशी आहे, किती रुपयाचं ते प्रोडक्ट आहे, ते प्रोडक्ट कसं आहे, त्या प्रोडक्टची क्वालिटी कशी आहे, कुठल्या पद्धतीचे इन्ग्रेडियंट्स त्याच्यामध्ये वापरले गेले आहे. त्याच्यानंतर प्रमोशन्स, कुठल्या पद्धतीने ते प्रमोट केलं जातं आहे मार्केटमध्ये, कोण त्याचा ब्रँड आहे किंवा त्याचा ब्रँड ॲम्बॅसिडर कोण आहे, फ्रँचायझीज कोणाच्या आहे, या सगळ्या गोष्टी त्यामध्ये इन्व्हॉल्व असतात. त्याचबरोबर प्लेस, तुमचं टार्गेट मार्केट कुठलं असलं पाहिजे किंवा कुठल्या जागी तुम्हाला ते प्रोडक्ट वापरायचं आहे, कोण तुमचे कस्टमर्स आहेत. दॅट इज ऑल 4 P's आर इन्क्लुडिंग अंडर द मार्केटिंग मिक्स. ओके, रिपीटली आय एम गोइंग टू कवर प्राइस, प्रोडक्ट, प्रमोशन्स अँड प्लेस आर द 4 P's ऑफ मार्केटिंग मिक्स. ओके, द एलिमेंट्स आर बॉट टुगेदर टू अचीव द कस्टमर सॅटिस्फॅक्शन. आणि सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं या मागचं ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह काय आहे की तर कस्टमर सॅटिस्फॅक्शन. जे काही प्रोडक्ट, ज्या काही सर्व्हिसेस तुम्ही लोकांपर्यंत पोहोचवत आहे त्या सर्व्हिसेसमुळे तुमच्या कस्टमरचं सॅटिस्फॅक्शन होतं आहे का नाही या गोष्टी बघणे, दॅट इज द मार्केटिंग मिक्स. दिस इज इस्पेशली वॉट बिझनेस यूज टू गिव्ह देअर प्रोडक्ट अँड कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह एज and differentiate them from their companies. Okay, however nowadays the marketing mix increasingly includes several other P's like packaging, positioning, people, even the policies are vital mix elements. या व्यतिरिक्त अजून कुठले P's त्याच्यामध्ये ॲड होतात? पॅकेजिंग, positioning, people, even the policies are included in the marketing mix. Okay, so now see the definition. Philip Kotler, one of the best author who has given the definition of marketing, is that marketing mix is a set of marketing tool that the firm used to purpose its marketing objectives in the target market. It means your product should be promote in the market. You should be utilize some tools and techniques for your product promotes in the target market. Whatever your target market is going there, if your product is for the kids, then your target market for the kids purpose. If your product is for the elder peoples, then your target market, in that case you should be utilize your some tools and techniques for that. Okay, that is the definition from Philip Kotler. Professor R.S. Dever, the policies adopted by the manufacturers to attain the success in the market, situate and marketing mix. The policies adopted by the manufacturers. Some of the policies are adopted by the manufacturers to attain the success in the market constitute. कशासाठी फॉलो केल्या जातात? मार्केट कन्स्टिट्यूट, मार्केटिंग अँड मार्केटिंग मिक्स. ओके, Keeley and Lazer. Keeley and Lazer is one of the person who has given another definition. All these three definition are very small and in a very easy language, so you should be mug up these three definition for the marketing mix. Okay, Keeley and Lazer. Keeley and Lazer says that the marketing mix is a composed of large battery of device. What he say? He says that the composed of large battery of device which might to be employed in include the customer to buy a particular product. For buying a particular product by the customer, for that whatever the things, whatever the composed, whatever the things we are going to do, that is the marketing mix. Then importance of marketing mix. What do you mean? What is the importance of marketing mix? For which purpose we do the marketing mix? If you have asked the question for significance of marketing mix, if you have asked the question for the needs of marketing mix, importance of marketing mix, you have write down the same answer. Okay, so what is the marketing mix? What is the marketing mix? Importance of marketing mix. Number one, useful for achieving the marketing target. For which purpose you are utilizing the marketing mix? Achieving the target market or marketing target. Okay, the sales officer or purchase officer are the aim and objective is that your product should be reached to each and every each and every customer to the corner of area. Okay, corner of area. तुमच्या प्रत्येक एरियातल्या प्रत्येक कानाकोपऱ्यामध्ये तुमचं प्रोडक्ट पोहोचणं आणि ते प्रोडक्ट त्या लोकांनी खरेदी करण्यासाठी त्यांना उत्तेजित करणं, दॅट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह ऑफ युअर मार्केटिंग टीम. ओके, सो फॉर दिस पर्पज your tools and techniques, your ideas and your policies are utilized for achieving the marketing target. So for this purpose marketing mix is most important. Customer is focus point. नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टंट काय आहे की कस्टमरचा फोकस पॉईंट. द फोकस पॉईंट ऑफ मार्केटिंग मिक्स इज द कस्टमर इज सॅटिस्फॅक्शन अँड सपोर्ट आर इम्पॉर्टंट. कस्टमरचं सॅटिस्फॅक्शन आणि कस्टमरचा सपोर्ट हा फार महत्त्वाचा असतो. व्हेरिएबल्स ऑफ मार्केटिंग मिक्स आर फॉर गिविंग द सॅटिस्फॅक्शन अँड प्लेजर टू कस्टमर्स. कस्टमरचं सॅटिस्फॅक्शन आणि चे प्लेजर्स फार महत्त्वाचे असतात. कंझ्युमर ओरिएंटेड ॲक्टिव्हिटी, कंझ्युमर ओरिएंटेड ॲक्टिव्हिटी. आता कंझ्युमर ओरिएंटेड ॲक्टिव्हिटी म्हणजे काय की मार्केटिंग मिक्स हा कशासाठी महत्त्वाचा आहे की कंझ्युमरला नेमकं काय गरजेचं आहे, तुमचा जो एंड युजर आहे, जो त्या वस्तू किंवा ते प्रोडक्ट यूज करणार आहे किंवा त्या सर्व्हिसेस त्या घेणार आहे, त्याचे ओरिएंटेशन्स काय आहे हे समजून घेण्यासाठी यू शुड बी नीड टू इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर द मार्केटिंग mix. Okay, marketing mix is the consumer oriented activity and its purpose to give the satisfaction and pleasure of consumer. Okay, here the need and expectations of consumers are given the special attention of 4 P's आणि त्यासाठी काय होतं की त्या 4 P's कडे स्पेशल अटेन्शन दिलं जातं. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज ओके, नेक्स्ट इज इफेक्टिव्ह अंडरस्टँडिंग ऑफ मार्केट. इफेक्टिव्ह अंडरस्टँडिंग ऑफ मार्केट, मार्केटचं प्रॉपर अंडरस्टँडिंग होण्यासाठी, समजून घेण्यासाठी, मार्केटची कंडिशन समजून घेण्यासाठी, मार्केटची सिच्युएशन समजून घेण्यासाठी. ओके, मार्केटिंग मिक्स हेल्प्स द मार्केटिंग मॅनेजर्स टू अंडरस्टँड द मार्केटिंग टास्क, provide the precise to the study of marketing become easy and marketing people to know what exactly marketing is. ओके, मार्केटिंग पीपलला किंवा मार्केटिंगच्या टीममध्ये जे लोक काम करत आहेत त्या सगळ्यांना एक्झॅक्टली माहीत असायला पाहिजे व्हॉट डू यू मीन बाय मार्केटिंग. ओके, नेक्स्ट बेटर यूज ऑफ रिसोर्स. मार्केटिंग मिक्स इन्व्हॉल्व टेकिंग प्रॉपर मार्केटिंग पॉलिसीज, security of resources be recorded by using the marketing mix as it promotes better use of limited resources. Marketing mix can be provided the best possible result with the limited resources. Marketing mix better use of resources म्हणजे काय की जे रिसोर्सेस तुमच्याकडे अवेलेबल आहे, जो डाटा तुमच्याकडे अवेलेबल आहे, जे मॅनपॉवर तुमच्याकडे अवेलेबल आहे, त्यामध्ये तुमचे टार्गेट अचीव करण्यासाठी काम कर रहे हैं. दॅट इज द बेटर यूज ऑफ रिसोर्सेस. बॅलन्स्ड ॲप्रोच, सगळ्या गोष्टी बॅलन्स करायला जमल्या पाहिजे. कधी एखादं वेगळं काम येतं, कधी एखादं तुम्हाला मार्केटिंगचं काम येतं, कधी एखादं तुम्हाला ऑपरेटिंगचं काम येतं, परचेसचं काम येतं, सप्लायर येतो, एखादा कस्टमर येतो, त्यांचे पेमेंट्स अडलेले असतात, परिस्थिती नसते. तर या सगळ्या गोष्टी तुम्हाला बॅलन्स्ड करता आल्या पाहिजे आणि त्या दृष्टीने तुमचा ॲप्रोच असला पाहिजे. ओके, युजफुल फॉर इन द बिझनेस ॲज वेल ॲज नॉन बिझनेस ऑर्गनायझेशन. मार्केटिंग हे बिझनेसमध्ये सुद्धा गरजेचं आहे, तसंच नॉन बिझनेस ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये सुद्धा गरजेचं आहे. मार्केटिंग शिवाय कुठलीही गोष्ट होऊ शकत नाही. प्रत्येक गोष्टीचं मार्केटिंग, प्रत्येक गोष्टीची गरज ही फार महत्त्वाची आहे. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज द स्कोप ऑफ मार्केटिंग. मार्केटिंग मिक्स इज द क्रुक्स मार्केटिंग प्रोसेस. ही काय क्रुक्स मार्केटिंग प्रोसेस आहे, व्हेरी इझी अँड क्रुशियल प्रोसेस आहे. याचा डिसिजन घेणं फार क्रुशियल आहे. मार्केटिंग मिक्स इन्व्हॉल्व्स मेनी क्रुशियल डिसिजन रिलेटिंग टू इच एलिमेंट्स ऑफ द मार्केटिंग. ओके, मार्केटिंगशी रिलेटेड कुठल्याही गोष्टीशी संबंधित तुम्हाला क्रुशियल डिसिजन घ्यावा लागतो बरेचदा. द इम्पॅक्ट ऑफ द मिक्स वुड बी बेस्ट वेन द प्रॉपर वेट इज असाइन्ड टू द एलिमेंट्स and they are integrated so that the combined effective lead to the result. त्यामुळे काय होतं, रिझल्ट तुमचा चांगला मिळतो. नेक्स्ट आहे मार्केटिंग मिक्स हॅज अ रिव्ह्यू constantly in order to meet the requirement. The marketing manager is related to consistently review the mix and conditions, the market and the necessary change in the marketing mix account. Change in a condition and complexion of the market. काय आहे, स्कोप आहे. हे स्कोपमधले 2 पॉईंट आपण आत्ता बघितले. त्याच्यानंतर आहे चेंजेस इन एक्सटर्नल एन्व्हायरमेंट. आता चेंजेस इन एक्सटर्नल एन्व्हायरमेंट, मार्केटिंग मिक्समुळे एन्व्हायरमेंटवर काय परिणाम होतो किंवा काय चेंजेस येतात ते आपल्याला इथे बघायचं आहे. द कन्सेप्ट कीप ऑन taking a place. External environment for many industries customer is the most influencing variable of environment. customers task and purchase change is very fast. मार्केटिंगच्या ज्या प्रोसेस आहेत त्या काय असतात, व्हेरी फास्ट होत असतात. खूप घाईघाईने ह्या प्रोसेस होत असतात आणि त्या दृष्टीने तुम्हाला त्याच्यावर काम करायचं असतं. तर आपल्याला बघायचं आहे थर्ड पॉईंट, चेंजेस इन एक्सटर्नल एन्व्हायरमेंट नेसेसिटेट अल्टरेशन इन द मिक्स. ओके, चेंजेस कीप ऑन टेकिंग प्लेस इन अ एक्सटर्नल एन्व्हायरमेंट. चेंजेस काय असतात, चेंजेस कीप ऑन टेकिंग प्लेस इन अ एक्सटर्नल एन्व्हायरमेंट म्हणजे बाहेरचं जे वातावरण आहे त्या बाहेरच्या वातावरणात तुमचं प्रोडक्ट त्या वातावरणामध्ये सूट करण्यासाठी, किंवा एखादा नवीन प्रोडक्ट जर मार्केटमध्ये येत असेल आणि ऑलरेडी एखादं दुसरं प्रोडक्ट सेम क्वालिटी अँड क्वांटिटीचं मार्केटमध्ये असेल, तर ते नवीन तुमचं जे प्रोडक्ट आहे ते मार्केटमध्ये किंवा एन्व्हायरमेंटमध्ये कसं ॲडजस्ट केलं पाहिजे किंवा त्याची गरज लोकांना कशी पटवून दिली पाहिजे, दॅट इज द कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन ऑफ मार्केटिंग मिक्स. ओके, फॉर मेनी इंडस्ट्रीज द कस्टमर इज द मोस्ट फ्लक्च्युएटिंग व्हेरिएबल्स फॉर द एन्व्हायरमेंट. एन्व्हायरमेंट काय होत असतं, फ्लक्च्युएट राहत असतं. इंडस्ट्रीच्या ज्या नीड्स आहेत त्या काय होत असतात, फ्लक्च्युएट होत असतात. कस्टमर्स टेस्ट अँड प्रेफरन्स चेंज व्हेरी फास्ट. आणि कस्टमरच्या टेस्ट, कस्टमरच्या जे प्रेफरन्स, कस्टमरच्या आवडीनिवडी ह्या काय होत असतात, वेळच्या वेळी चेंज होत असतात. बेसिक आहे, आपल्यासुद्धा होत असतात. आपल्याला नेहमीच एकाच कलरचे कपडे घालायला आवडत नाही, त्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला वेगवेगळ्या कलरचे, वेगवेगळ्या फॅशनचे, वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीचे फूड्स खायला आवडतात, वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीचे फ्रूट्स, वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीचे प्लेसेस आपल्याला हवे असतात. त्याच्यामुळे इनोव्हेशन आणि वेगवेगळ्या व्हेरिएबल्स कस्टमर्सला गरजेचं असतं. त्यामुळे तुमच्या प्रोडक्टमध्ये एन्व्हायरमेंटच्या दृष्टीने, वातावरणाच्या दृष्टीने, कस्टमरच्या दृष्टीने कसे व्हेरिएबल्स आणले पाहिजे त्याचा अभ्यास करण्यासाठी तुम्हाला मार्केट रिसर्च गरजेचं आहे. दॅट इज कम्स अंडर द मार्केटिंग मिक्स. ओके, देन changes taking place within the firm to necessitate the challenges in marketing mix. Number of challenges you have you wants to face in the marketing mix. Okay, that is the scope of marketing mix. Now you want to see the product mix. What do you mean by product mix? The concept of product mix is given here in a narrow sense. Product is a set of tangible physical attributes assembled in an intangible form. अशा काही टँजेबल थिंग्स असतात की ज्याला असेंबल्ड करून तुम्ही एक इनटँजेबल थिंग्स तयार करता. म्हणजे रॉ मटेरियलचे जे वेगवेगळे रॉ मटेरियल्स आहेत त्या रॉ मटेरियलला एकत्र करून असेंबल करून यू आर गोइंग टू बी अ फिनिश प्रोडक्ट. दॅट इज intangible form. Each product carries a name such as car, iron, building, etc. Okay, car also you have assembled the number of raw materials, number of other products and being a one product. But in a marketing, the product is anything which can be satisfy a need, wants to desire the consumer and can be offered in the change of process. Hence the product can be commodity, services, idea or contribution of all these. Okay, या सगळ्यांचं कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन्स त्यामध्ये असते. A commodity is a tangible object such as watch. A services is an intangible which provided the benefits and satisfaction to the users such as health services or doctors, nurses services. An idea is a philosophy or concept such as stop smoking, use of seat belt during the driving, suggestions for doing the physical exercises. The product concept in the management orientation thus assists that consumer will favor those products that offer mostly quality and other features of price, and therefore the product should be offered for the continuous improvement of product quality and other features of product. Okay, so all those things coming under the प्रोडक्ट मिक्स. म्हणजे प्रोडक्टशी रिलेटेड ज्या काही गोष्टी आहे किंवा प्रोडक्ट तयार करण्यापासून त्याच्यामध्ये यूज होणारे असेंब्लीज, त्याच्यामध्ये यूज होणारे रॉ मटेरियल, ऑल दोज थिंग्स कमिंग्स अंडर द प्रोडक्टमध्ये प्रोडक्ट मिक्स. ओके, सो नाउ वी गोइंग टू सी द मीनिंग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. In marketing, the product is anything that can be offered to the market that might satisfy want or need in relating. The products are called merchandise. In manufacturing, product are bought as a raw materials and sold as a finished goods. Commodities are usually raw materials such as metal and agriculture product, but commodity can also be anything widely available in the open market. Okay, so this is all about marketing mix and product mix. The definition of marketing mix in the दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट मिक्स. ओके, प्रोडक्ट मिक्समध्ये प्रोडक्ट मिक्सचे कन्सेप्ट दिलेले आहे, त्याच्या मिनिंग दिलेलं आहे. आता कन्सेप्ट आणि मिनिंग आपण बघितले. नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत त्याच्या डेफिनेशन. ओके, सो फॉर द क्लिअरिंग ऑफ युअर कन्सेप्ट towards the marketing mix, I am going to attach here the one of the video. Okay, so enjoy with this video and get your knowledge, improve your knowledge and utilize your own notes. Find out your own notes and utilize the given video also. Okay, so enjoy with this video. Okay, so thank you and bye bye.
We will also see different characteristic features of marketing mix. So let's start today's video by understanding the term marketing mix. Marketing mix is the process of designing and integrating various elements of marketing in such a way to ensure the achievement of organization goals or objective. The term marketing mix is used to describe a combination of four elements: the product, price, physical distribution or place, and promotion. That is why we call it as 4 P's. The marketing mix, more popularly referred as 7 P's of marketing, which is a set of controllable and interrelative variables composed of product, place, price, and promotions that a company assembles to satisfy a target group better than its competitors. Marketing mix is a strategy of choosing and implementing the best possible course of action to attain the organization's long-term objective, which is to sell maximum goods and services into the market. Let us see the definition given by author for marketing mix. According to Philip Kotler, marketing mix is the mixture of controllable marketing variables that the firm uses to pursue the sought level of sales in the target market. So here we can say The author wants to say the marketing mix is a mixture of all those elements which help an organization to make a sell into the market, to attract, to motivate, and to influence the target market. Marketing mix comprises of elements like product, place, promotion, price, people, process, and physical evidence. Product is used to satisfy the needs and wants of target market. Place, an area where goods and services could be sold, or the area where target customers can easily buy the product. Price, the value of product is called price. Promotion, for making awareness among the customers related to the product, that okay, this product has came to the market, this is also one of the good option, you can try it. So promotion is another very important element in marketing mix. Then come process. Process is a sequence of activities going throughout the process where the finished goods has started to come to the market, and all those activities going on throughout the process where the finished goods has started to come to the market, and all those activities going on where ultimately it ends to the target customers when the customer buy. All the process goes on under this element. People, ultimately, if a product or the services has came up, there should be some customer who are going to use it, or the person who are going to bring those goods and services to the market, or who is going to provide information or going to conduct promotions. So here people, not only employee but also the customers is considered in this element. Physical evidence, overall look of a product which influence a buyer to make the purchase. So physical evidence provide us the information like how the product is appearing or how attractive it could be, so that customer could be more attracted toward it. So physical evidence is another more important element. In marketing mix, product, place, people are considered as strategic P's. Why? Because they cannot be changed in overnight. It takes time to get implemented. Promotions, price, process, and physical evidence or physical appearance are considered as tactical P's. Why? Because they can be changed very easily. So here, promotion, price, process, and physical evidence are tactical P's. Let us see all these P's in detail. Product. In product element, different decisions related to product is taken. Product is the basic element of marketing mix because all other elements are required only when there is a product. It is the center of all the marketing activities. Here, product include both goods and services. Marketers can satisfy needs and wants of consumers by product. Product is the vehicle, medium, or means by which consumers can satisfy their needs. So here we can say, in this element we get the information related to development and introduction of new product, matching the products with needs and wants of target customer, modification in terms of quality, feature, and performance is taking place in this stage. Product-related strategies are taking place in this stage, such as branding, packaging, labeling, color, weight, grading, etc. Product line decisions including different varieties or models, and product mix decisions including width, depth, length, and consistency of product is taking place in this element. Product related services like after sales service, home delivery, Guarantee. We get the complete information related to the product life cycle in this element. Price mix. Price mix is another important element of marketing mix. It is considered as very critical element. Price can be defined as economic value of product, normally expressed in form of money. The price of a product should be set in such a way that buyers can pay and company can earn adequate profit. So here we can conclude in this element we get the information related to product development cost, manufacturing cost, whether it is variable or fixed cost, we get the information about it. We get the chance to study the pricing policies of the competitors and strategies taken by the competitors. Promotion. Promotion mix deals with those activities which help in increasing the sales volume. In today's marketing practices, market promotions has much vital role. Promotion mix involves all those efforts directed to increase sales of production on a continuous basis. It includes providing information to customers, inspiring them to buy the product. Promotion is not only concerned with raising the sales volume, but it is also a tool of establishing long-term relationship with the parties involved and in a matter of creating an image, reputation and goodwill for the company among the customers. So here we can conclude promotion is a way of providing the information to the target customers to buy the product and to influence them to bring their interest within the product. Place. Place is related to distribution of product. This element of marketing mix basically concerned with physical distribution and channel of distribution. This is the last element of marketing mix but very important as marketing goals can be achieved only if the product reaches the hand of consumers conveniently. This element concerned with making the product available to the customer effectively. That means the right product can be made available to the right customer in right way. At right time and at right place. So here we can conclude in this mix we understand about or we study about the geographical concentration of customers. We study about the distribution channels and channel members. We analyze various relevant factors affecting distribution channel. We select suitable channel of distribution. We make strategies, decisions related to distribution activities. We provide information such as physical distribution including transportation, communication, warehousing, inventory control, insurance, banking, etc. Next, we have three more terms which make the marketing mix 7 P's, which are people, process and physical evidence. So let us see these three also in detail. People. People are all the persons involved in activities of producing products and providing services and product to customer. Next is process. Process is a series of action necessary to provide product or services with the best service to customers. A process can contain methods or procedures applied to obtain the products needed by customers. A service process has to be fast, easy and more convenient for the customers. Physical evidence. Physical evidence is a device needed to support the appearance of a product, thus directly showing the quality of products and services provided to customers. So here we can say physical appearance or physical evidence is overall how your package or how your product appears, which can of customers which can influence a customers to bring their interest into the product, where customers can show their interest into the product just by giving a look toward the product. So the overall definition or the overall packaging which highlight the product is called physical evidence or physical appearance. Now let us see the characteristics, features, nature of marketing mix. Marketing mix is a core of marketing process. Marketing mix has to be reviewed constantly in order to meet the changing requirements of the market. Changes in external environment result in alteration. Changes taking place within the firm also necessitate changes in marketing mix. Marketing mix is applicable to non-business and business organization. Marketing mix is helpful to achieve organizational objectives or goals. Marketing mix focus on customers. So let us see all these points in detail. Marketing mix is a core of marketing process. How? Marketing mix involves many crucial decisions related to each element of the marketing mix. The impact of this mix will be the best when proper weightage is assigned to each element and they are integrated so that the combined effect leads to the best results. Second point. Marketing mix has to be reviewed constantly in order to meet the changing requirements. Marketing manager has to constantly review the mix and conditions of the market and make necessary changes in marketing mix according to changes in the conditions and complexity of the market. Third, changes in external environment necessitate alteration in the mix. Changes keep on taking places in the external environment. For many industries, the customer is the most fluctuating variables of the environment. Customers' taste and preferences change very fast. Brand loyalty and purchasing power also changes over a period. The marketing manager has to carry out market analysis constantly to make necessary changes in the marketing mix. Fourth point, changes taking place within the firm also necessitate changes in marketing mix. Changes within the firm may take place due to technological changes, changes in the product line, or changes in the size or scale of operation. Such changes call for similar changes in the marketing mix. Fifth point we have application to business and non-business organization. Marketing mix is applicable not only to business organization but also to non-business organization such as club and educational institutions. For instance, an education institution is expected to provide the right course, charges the right fees, promotes the right institution and courses, and provide the course at the right place. Sixth point we have marketing mix helps to achieve organizational objective or goals. An application of an appropriate marketing mix helps to achieve organizational goals such as profit and seventh point we have marketing mix focus on customers. As we all know, ultimately all the products or services are sold in the market to the customers. So it is very much important to focus on customers' needs, tastes and wants so that the company can sell maximum goods and services into the market. So with this we have completed our another video on marketing.
Dear student, I hope you are really helpful for the YouTube video also and my lecture. Okay, so enjoy with this lecture and take your important notes. Okay, find out your own notes and studied on that. Okay, so thank you, bye bye and take care. I hope you all clear the difference between entrepreneur and manager, because this is the most important topic for exam point of view and your future point of view also. Are you being a manager, are you being an entrepreneur, and are you being an entrepreneur? Ask these questions to yourself and find out your own answer, and also decide you what you want to do, and then you should be prepare yourself on the basis of that. Here is clear difference: entrepreneur means what and manager means what. So you should be decide who wants to do for yourself. Okay, so thank you, bye bye, take care, stay home, safe life.